Imagine being able to squeeze every last bit of juice from your iPhone's battery, especially on those chaotic days when you're glued to your screen. Well, with the latest iOS 26 Beta 7 release, Apple is taking a significant step towards making that a reality. But here's where it gets interesting. The new Adaptive Power Mode, designed to extend your iPhone's battery life without drastically impacting performance, now comes with a toggle for notifications. This means you can choose whether to be informed when your iPhone is making adjustments to save battery power, or you can let it work its magic behind the scenes. The Adaptive Power Mode is essentially a middle ground between normal operation and low power mode, aiming to provide a longer battery life by making subtle performance adjustments, such as reducing display brightness or slowing down certain activities, without the drastic effects of low power mode. According to Apple, when your battery usage spikes, your iPhone can extend its battery life by making these performance adjustments, including turning on low power mode at 20% battery. The idea is to give your battery a bit more breathing room on days when you're using your iPhone more than usual. Recently, a beta version of iOS 26 introduced notifications for adaptive power, which will alert you when your iPhone is tweaking its performance to conserve battery. You can see an example of how these notifications look, and it's quite straightforward. Now, with the Beta 7 release, users can find a dedicated settings toggle for adaptive power notifications under Settings, Battery Power Mode. This adaptive power notifications toggle allows you to decide whether you want to receive notifications when adaptive power is actively optimizing your iPhone's performance. It boils down to a simple preference. Do you want to be kept in the loop about your battery's status, or do you prefer a more seamless experience? And this is the part most people miss. Having control over these notifications can significantly impact your user experience. For instance, if you're someone who likes to know what's going on with your device at all times, you might appreciate these notifications. On the other hand, if you prefer a clean and clutter-free notification experience, you might choose to disable them. But here's the question. Should Apple provide more customization options for adaptive power mode, or is the current implementation sufficient? Some might argue that more granular control would be beneficial, allowing users to fine-tune the performance adjustments based on their specific needs. Others might see it as unnecessary complexity. What's your take on this? Have you been experimenting with adaptive power in iOS 26? How do you feel about the new notification toggle? Let us know in the comments. By the way, if you're looking to enhance your iPhone experience, consider checking out some of the best accessories available, such as the AirPods Pro 2, now at a discounted price, or the MagSafe car mount for convenient on-the-go charging. And if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest tech news, don't forget to add 9 to 5 Mac to your Google News feed. As always, we use income-earning auto affiliate links to support our content. More details about our affiliate policy can be found on our website.